Hello everyone! Do you remember my little friend?
Hello, hope you missed me.
Today we are going to do a partner yoga session. He will be copying what I do and I will be guiding him. Of course, he can't stretch like a human, but this little guy holds a tree pose like a pro. Shall we show them what we've got? Okay, let's sit down to start. Sit down in lotus pose. Sit down, buddy. Of course, he can sit in lotus pose, but this works too. And now we're starting to breathe deeply. Breathe in and breathe out. All right, now let's stretch to the side and to the right. Feel your ribs opening up and to the left. So guys, we have a little problem. Rain just started, but I think if we have a goal, this is not a big deal for us.
Okay, let's move on to the next exercise.
So let's move on and keep doing our yoga. And the next pose, what I would like to try is tree pose. Stand it up straight and putting our hands together. And again, doing deep breaths. And now let's move to the child pose. Slowly on down. And from this position, we can move to downward dog position. Well done. I think I did 10 out of 10. What do you think, buddy?
The technique is good. I think 9.73 out of 10.
Are you tired, my little buddy? Do you want me to pet you a little bit?
The main thing is not to end up like in your movies. Ha ha ha.
Well, thank you for being with me. Of course, my little friend. Sure, my little friend can't say namaste at the end of the session, but he's a good partner for this duo workout. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and had a little fun. So, see you next time. Bye-bye.